Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. I will drive back to Bangkok. The last vlog I drove to my hometown, and this time after almost a month of being home, I'm gonna drive back to Bangkok. It's gonna take me about 10-hour drive, but the thing is, I will stop by at Hua Hin Beach again. This time, not alone, not a solo trip. I'm only gonna drive for 8 hours to Hua Hin to meet up with my friend. And we already make a reservation at the hotel. The hotel is so beautiful. So without further ado, see you.
A few moments
later. I just got home and it's already 9:30 p.m. at night. I'm gonna leave tomorrow so early, 4 o'clock in the morning. That's my plan because I want to arrive in Hua Hin around noon or maybe 2 o'clock. So I have like another 2 hours to like drive it slow or stop at the gas station and do my thing, you know, have my lunch. So approximately it will take about like 10 hours. I will try my best to sleep early tonight, probably around 11. That's the earliest that I can do because I need to dye my hair. You see, it's turned yellow and I don't like that. It's gonna take me about like an hour to get ready with this hair and also pack up everything that I need. Say goodbye to all my dogs. Spend time with my mom before I leave to Bangkok. It's pretty sad, but I've been here almost a month. Time flies so fast, like way too fast for me. I'm like, wait, is it already been a month here? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning. Gonna go pack. We see you tomorrow. It's 4 a.m. and I'm leaving. Oh my god. I'm trying not to cry because I hate saying goodbye to mom. Okay, it's so hard. Fuck. Anyways, yeah, I'm leaving. We're gonna go to the beach. It's 4 a.m. That's why I feel a little emotional. I'm gonna miss my mom so much. I've been only living alone for like half a year, and after I spent almost a month at home, everything feels so normal. When I left, it just felt like the first time. It's kind of sad, but it's okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue driving. See you when like the sun rises. And 3 hours later, after I left my house, the sun has risen. That's the update. My bag, also a lot of hearting. 5 hours left to go. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's only like 7 o'clock in the morning. I got this. See you in an hour if I have some updates. Other than I cried because I left my house. That's all I did. 5 hours later, 8 a.m. in the morning, I drank 2 of these. This is like an energy drink. I think this is like Red Bull. And I also had a little cup of coffee. Yeah, I drank 2 of this and I'm still so sleepy. I don't know if I should take a nap, keep driving and drink another cup of coffee. I'm probably gonna get another cup of coffee soon. I would get a cup of coffee from the gas station. I feel like it's much stronger than Starbucks. I'm so tired. At the beginning of this drive, I feel like, you know what? I got this. It's like 8 hours. Easy. I used to drive like 10 hours. comfortable when I was younger. Now I'm turning 23. My bag is turning 62 tomorrow, so it's just not the same. My energy is not the same when I was young. I don't know what I'm rambling about. Oh, you know what? The weather today has been crazy. In the morning, it was, okay, foggy at first. I was like in a winter vibe. Everything was really cold. And then when the sun rised, it was so sunny. I'm like, okay, this is gonna be a good day, like a sunny day. But then 5 minutes, just 5 minutes after, it was raining. And now it's sunny again. No, not sunny, cloudy. I feel like I'm all in a one season in one day. It's crazy. It's like summer because it was hot, winter because it was really cold and foggy early in the morning, and then raining. I can't handle the weather. I hope that when I get to the beach, the weather will be better, hopefully.
Many tic tacs later.
Okay, I'm only 2 hours away from the beach now. It's been a long drive. Now it's currently 10 a.m. What I'm gonna do is gonna get another cup of coffee. That's right. I'm gonna get another cup of coffee because I really need it. I only had like 2 hours of sleep last night, so I deserve it, okay? Okay, let's go get another cup of coffee. I didn't finish it at the coffee shop, but yes, I just whisper I love you to my coffee. Shut up. Let us change the plan. I'm gonna stop by at the science park. There's a big aquarium. Okay, I'm gonna stop at the science park. Just a little change of plan because my friend is running late. Okay.
A few minutes later.
Okay, now this time I'm gonna go to check-in at the hotel for real now. So, see you at the hotel. About like 3 hours ago. Already had dinner. Now the sun is gonna set in a few hours. So take a photos, enjoy the sunset and the view. Because the view here is so beautiful as you can see. So you wanna go to the pool.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Right after we had dinner at the market, Cicada Market. I don't know if you can see, but right there, it's the beach. Oh my god. Come on away. Unfortunately, they don't sell alcohol yet because we're in a light lockdown right now. And me, I keep trying. We just ordered some mocktail. Just to chill at the beach, you know, with a friend. Right here. Hi. Hi. And yeah, just waiting for the mocktail.
The next morning.
I wanna dance with you now.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the day 2 in Hua Hin. After we went back from the market, we had a drink and chill at the beach, and after that I just passed out, and that was today. I didn't even end the video at the end of the day. But today we're gonna go to a different hotel. We will check out from this and check in another hotel first, and then we'll go to the cafe. That's the plan of the day. Already had breakfast. The breakfast here had so many food to pick out of. I had way too many breakfasts. Okay, so today here's the fit check. Just a very cute tank top and with their short jeans. That's it, all the beach outfit that I picked out of, and another 3. I already bought 3 outfits for the beach for 2 days. So we're gonna go to check in another hotel and do a little photo shoot here and there with my friends right here. I'm not alone anymore, you know. We're not doing a solo trip this time, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna change to the white silk later at the cafe, and that would be like all the outfit of the day. But this one is cute. I'm very comfy. Love their comfiness of the outfit. That's the most important thing for me when I pick out the outfit. Oh, I don't get why the bathtub it's in the middle of bedroom. Like, it's look like I'm in the bathroom right now, but no, guys, it's in the bedroom. Like, who gonna take a bath in the middle of the room? I come with my friends, right? We all take the photo here with a swimsuit on. Imagine if I have to get naked in front of, what if I come with like 3 friends and I want to sit in a bathtub for like an hour? So I'm gonna get naked here? It doesn't make any sense. I'm still wondering why the bathtub is in the middle of my bedroom. It just Anyway, without further ado, let's go to the beach and check into another hotel. See you guys soon. Bye. Yeah. I'm already done with this check-in and get all my stuff settled in. It's a bed right there, as you can see. It's a pretty cozy room, not gonna lie, with a very comfortable price. I think it's come with the views of like mountain and stuff. So after this, I think I'm probably gonna chill in my room for a little bit, like for an hour, because now it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's really hot outside, too hot. I will stay in the hotel for about a couple hours before going out to get some food. I had a huge breakfast this morning, so I'm not feeling hungry right now. Okay, I think this is a good time for me to give you like a fit check, because in the morning, my stomach was huge. I was too insecure to show you that. The fit check of the day: short jeans and a very cute crop top that's gonna give me a little tan when I got back to Bangkok. I love the lighting in this room. I think the lighting in the room is just perfect for me. So after this, I'm gonna just chill in my room, watch Netflix, edit all the video that I took, and airdropped every video that I recorded on my camera to my laptop. Alright, my friend just called. She's gonna go to like a coffee shop. I'm probably gonna get another cup of coffee and gonna change the outfit to take some photos at the cafe. I think the only thing I'm gonna change is this tank top, because I already took the photo of this in the morning. And we're gonna change the outfit to a more comfier fit with a white tank top. 1, 2, 3. The magic of editing world. Okay, I already changed my shirt and that's it, and we got like a little chain situation going on the necklace. And change my earring to this one. Pretty cute. Okay, let me give you a full fit check. Here is still the same jeans because I'm lazy like that, and very simple tank top, so comfy, and tight little cute bow. That's it. That's all my fit check. Let's go get some food. Again, yeah, I'm a fat kid. You know what? I'm surprised that I still have this body right now. I'm surprised that I'm not like 100 kg. I'm so blessed with all my metabolism. I can like eat whatever I want, and I eat a lot. I eat whole pizza or 2 hamburgers and 3 dishes of rice, something like that. That's like per meal, not even a day, like a meal. I think a lot of people shook by my eating habit. You know what? I'm a girl who enjoys eating, and that's a good thing, right? Guess what? I can cook too. Maybe I can do that on another vlog. Cooking with me? That's a good idea, actually. I'll do that someday when I have sometimes an energy to like, I feel like a chef today. Let's cook something. Anyways, see you at the restaurant / cafe / the mall. I don't know where we're gonna go yet. Alright, see you at the counter. behind me is the beach, but it's dark so you can't see. I'm sorry for that. Such a beautiful view behind me, but my camera can't see it, so my bad. Hi guys, it's day 3 in Hua Hin and I'm going back to Bangkok today. It's a wrap of all the video from Hua Hin trip this time with my friend. I really hope you enjoy it. If you like this type of video of me traveling and vlogging, don't forget to hit that like button. Also hit a subscribe button if you like this kind of content and video. Turn on your notifications so you will know every time I posted a new vlog or the new video. Well, this trip had been so much fun for me. I got to go to many places than the last time that I was here and also get to spend some quality time with my friend. Although it's a little sad that I left my house after spending there for a month, but I already healed from it. It's okay. I can catch a flight anytime to go back home. It's not that big of a deal. I cry like a baby because I'm such a mommy girl. I always spend time with my mom since I was young, and she's also a single mom. So me and my moms are really close. That's why I got a little emotional when I left the house. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoy all the content and also enjoy seeing all the sightseeing. Also enjoy seeing like a beautiful view. If you want to visit all those places that I've been, I will leave the location below so you can like come and check it out by yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you make it this far, I really appreciate it. It's also taken me a lot of work to edit all this video. What you want to see me doing next, leave it in the comment, talk to me in the comment, and I'll see you again in another video. Thank you so much. Bye. I love you all. Thank you.